Hello and welcome back to Productive Dragons channel where we do unboxes, play with me's, and other things. And if you like that, please consider subscribing. Today we have our bargain beads bag. Want to see what's inside? Come join me. This is the May 2022 bargain bead bag. It is a jewelry making subscription. You will get beads, some findings, and they're always done by Lauren. It is $19.49 per month with free shipping in the United States. However, if you live in Tennessee, there is sales tax. I don't know about any other state, but I do know that. And we are about to find out what this month's subscription is. It's always wrapped nicely in some of this. May Flowers is the theme of the month. As you see, we have these lovely things here. All right. Your Beads. This month's collection celebrates the beauty of spring. Quartz, citrine, and yellow jade provide a pastel palette, while focal points include 2 pairs of handmade lampwork glass flower buds and a carved golden quartz leaf pendant. Crystal coins and glass accent round out the colorful assortment, finished by a selection of copper finish findings and a garden-themed motif. Not bad. Okay, when you get the subscription, they have a sister store called Bead Box Bargains. And you get, they send you a coupon every month for that store. There's also a contest. If you, what you make with this bag, they do a contest and you'll win a $50 gift certificate. All right, there should be 19 bags, and the total approximate retail value of this shipment is $65. Okie dokie. So let's open this baby up. Let's just pour these little babies out. Yes, they always come in this little baggie kind of thing, and they're different colors. And there you go. There is some of the stuff. So I'm going to put that to the side. All right, let's see if I can. All right. Let's go with this one, which is approximately 7-inch strand of 10mm pink quartz dyed round beads. Nice. Okay. All right. Next, we've got this baby, which is approximately 15-inch strand. Am I reading that right? Yeah, 15-inch strand. 4mm cat's eye glass bicone beads, spring green. Huh. Wow. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay. I don't see the cat's eye, but hey, what do I know? This is, okay, I think this is an approximated, yeah, 8-inch strand, 6mm spiral faceted crystal coin beads. Lavender. Very nice. Interesting. Very interesting. Yeah. There you go. All right. We have this one, which is approximately 8-inch strand. Another coin one. Spiral faceted crystal coin beads, light lilac. Interesting. Next, whoops, let's put you back. We've got an approximated 14.5-inch strand of 8mm violet quartz dyed round beads. These are beautiful. Oh man, these are beautiful. All right, we have this one, which is, okay, this is approximately 15-inch strand of 4mm cat's eye glass bicone beads, spring green. Wow, okay. Got a few of these. Okay. Making sure that I've got. Ooh, is this a string? Yes. This is an approximated 7.5-inch strand of citrine heated chipped beads. Let's see if I can pull these. These are absolutely gorgeous. All right. I'm not pulling these out because knowing me, I'll have them all over the place. These are 30-piece 40mm steel eye pens, antique copper finish. I'm leaving those in the bag because I don't want them all over the place. Next, we've got, okay, this is a 10-gram bag of 11 by 13mm wavy leaf spacer beads, lead-free, nickel-free, and Camden-free. So you have both sides. Next, we have 4 sets of 20 by 17mm figural flower toggle clasp, lead-free, nickel-free, Camden-free. There you go. This is, oh wow, this is going to be interesting. This is a new type of chain I've never seen before. All right, this is approximately 1 meter, 5 by 12mm steel Luma China jewelry chain, lead-free, nickel-free, and Camden-free. That has got some interesting things to it. All right. Next, we got a 2-piece 41 by 29mm figurine flower focal links, lead-free, Camden-free. And as you see, there's no, so that's how it would go. Okay. Oh boy. I'm dreading this one. This is 10 grams of 10-gram bag of 9mm 3-leaf chevron bead caps, lead-free, Camden-free. There we go. This would be all over my floor right now. All right. This is 10 pieces of 15.5, if I can open the bag, hold up. 15.5 by 10mm leafy branch links. This one is 19 by 31mm 3D leafy branch pendant link, lead-free, nickel-free, Camden-free. That's the back. That's the front. Very nice. Now we'll go for these, which is 10 piece of 15 by 9mm pressed glass leafy beads in citrine AB. Next, we've got 2 pieces, 10 by 10.5 by 12mm glass lampwork glass flower buds in lavender. Oh wow. So this is, it goes through the bottom, they go through the flower itself. So that's wild. Next one, we have another 2-piece 10 by 10.5 by 12mm lampwork glass flower bud beads, magenta. And you have them in a magenta color. They're beautiful. Interesting. And last but not least, we have a 34 by 9mm carved golden quartz leaf pendant. And I can't show you the detail on that baby, but boy, that baby has some detail. The lines for the leaves are coming down. Trying to, oh, and the hole for it is right there. So when it's laying that way, this is very nice. All right. So here we got. So what did I think? Absolutely loved it. Like I said, there's times where I just sit there and I'm amazed at what Lauren comes up with, how everything works together. You know, my mind, it doesn't, my brain won't go, well, if I went to the store and went, oh, I can pick all these up and it would work, it wouldn't register with me. I would be like, well, I just want these colors. But for her to bring all this together and make me go, hey, these colors work too. It's like, wow, I never think that way. So yeah, I love how Lauren puts these together. I've been with them for so long. Right now, I have a referral link. If 3 people sign up under my referral link, I get the next box free. That's it. So if you're really interested in this, if you were a beginner, it would be a little tough because there's not a lot of bindings to help you attach things like O-rings and whatnot. This would not be so much. But if you're really into this and you're really into making jewelry, yes, I would suggest the subscription for you because it's worth it. Everything I ever get from it is worth it. You don't get a little bit. You get, I mean, you're getting strands. These are what you buy in the store most of the time. So, I mean, for what you get, I think it's worth it. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, I'm hoping everybody's having a wonderful day.